Hello.
Hello.
And welcome to the Tom and Heinz Show.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Heinz. We're going to teach you physics.
Momentum. Some category.
Cars as well. Hello again. Here we are. We're on our way to go and get some eggs from Co-op. What have you got to say?
We're riding on our bikes and whatnot.
Chilling. Let's go do some momentum. Also, I don't know if you've realised, but I'm moving, so I have momentum. Momentum's moving things that want to carry on moving. I say want to, they're not actually living.
Right. Aren't there? We're near some cars.
These all have safety features.
Like seatbelts and air cushions.
Crumple zones.
Crumple zones. Everything else.
Look at that car.
Let's go.
There's some momentum.
Follow it. Look at this guy's momentum. Right.
Hello, here we are in Co-op, we're getting supplies. We're spending our money so we can teach you
Physics.
and momentum and car safety. Guess what we're going to get? Tell them what we're going to get.
We're going to get some eggs. How about that?
Eggs. This is not an egg. This is a quiche, but it's made of eggs.
Found the eggs.
These are physics eggs, designed specifically for physics.
And momentum.
Look at that. Integrate. The reason that he skids and he pulls his brakes and his wheels start spinning, but he carries on moving because moving things carry on moving. That's called momentum. Now that's what car safety is all about. You see, the longer it takes you to stop, the less it's going to hurt you and the less momentum there is. So, for example, a seatbelt, that slows you down and that reduces the amount of momentum and saves your life. Airbags, they do the same. Crumple zones do the same. Thank you.
What do you think, this is a person we asked to interview, what do you think about car safety?
What do I think about it?
Yeah, about yeah.
In what sense?
In the safety aspects and their use.
I'm not quite sure I understand the question.
Do you think it's effective?
Oh, what do you mean, like seatbelts?
Yeah, do you think seatbelts and airbags are effective?
Well, thankfully I've never had to use an airbag,
yeah.
But obviously I feel quite confident that they're there.
Yeah.
And I think obviously seatbelts and obviously safety.
Yeah. Does it reassure you? Like, second.
Well, I try not to think about it, to be honest, but yeah, I suppose so, yeah.
What do you know about momentum and the forces of momentum acting on you when in a car crash?
Well, you keep going. If you suddenly stop, you keep going.
Yeah.
Obviously, that's what caused you to go through windscreens, etc.
Pretty much, yeah. Do you know the use of a seatbelt in a crash and the effect of momentum on that?
No.
Good. That's a bit. Thank you.
Yeah, cool. Hello, this is Jude, and she's very kindly offered to answer some questions for us about car safety. So, Jude, what car safety features do you have in your car? Do you own one?
I don't own a car, no. I do travel in cars quite a lot.
What safety features are in cars you travel?
A seatbelt.
Yes.
Yeah, airbags. That's about it, I think.
Okay. And do you know why they keep you safe?
Yes, the seatbelts stop you if the car crashes from you heading through the front window.
Yeah, that's because of momentum. Momentum keeps you going.
And also if you're in the back, you finish up in the front seat.
Yeah. And do these reassure you when you're travelling?
Definitely, yes.
Right.
And the airbags, they come into force if you hit something and they cushion you against the dashboard or going through the windscreen.
So do you have a message for any children watching this about car safety and seatbelts?
Definitely, yes. Children should always be in the back and restrained by a child's seat or seatbelt.
Okay.
This is the appropriate size.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much, Julie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Hello. You may have seen earlier in our video that we purchased some common chicken eggs. Now you may be thinking, what has this got to do with car safety?
It's an egg.
Oh, look at that. Right. Now, what I'm going to show you is, imagine if you were going along at quite a fast speed and just went into a solid object. Imagine you're the egg, and this, zoom in on that top, this is the car dashboard. Right,
the ground,
okay,
yeah.
zoom in next to my foot, Tom. Right, okay. Now this is what would happen to you. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, 2, 1. There you are. That is you. You, my friend, are a cracked egg. Now that's why you wear a seatbelt. Right,
Hello there, and previously on our presentation we bought some eggs. As Hannah previously explained, these for just for dropping on pavements and trying to link them to physics somehow. So what we're doing is dropping eggs again.
But is the grass soft?
Or it's softer than the pavement.
Does it cushion the fall like a
Cushions,
seatbelt?
It takes away the momentum and therefore doesn't harm it.
By increasing the time for it to stop.
Thank you, Heinrich.
Next to your foot, Tom.
Right, next to my foot here, I shall drop the egg.
Cool.
Down there. Ready?
Yep.
It did.
It didn't break!
This egg didn't break.
No, that's why I should wear a seatbelt.
Tom, out.
Here's an egg.
This is the egg that Hannah threw me, and look at that. My hand, because being softer than the floor, reduced the momentum and just took out, it just hit me rather than actually cracking.
That's pretty much a seatbelt. You're still going to get hurt by a seatbelt, but you're not going to die. Passes the egg, Tom. Look at that. That reminds me more of a hard-boiled egg.
Than the scrambled egg, because scrambled eggs would be scrambled.
Yeah, this is more what a scrambled egg looks like.
Oh, another one.
Eggy. Hello. Here is yet another egg and what's that? There is water. Don't know if you know, but water's soft and hard at the same time. Let's see what happens. Right. Here we are. See that? Nothing happens. Good as egg. Good egg that. Physics.
Momentum. Got it.
Hello. Right, as I was saying earlier about momentum, if you extend the speed, it reduces the momentum. So just to show you how effective this is, I'm going to throw this egg really high in the air and let it land on the grass. The grass will cushion it, and by doing so, increase the time for it to stop and therefore reduce the momentum. Oh yeah. The more mass a thing it has, the more momentum it has. Also, the speed is also.
Velocity.
Right. Are you ready?
Go.
How should I throw it?
Yeah, try that.
That's high.
Ah.
Let that go. We've encountered a problem, people. Pass it here.
Is that?
Yep, it is now.
Don't know whether you can see here, but we've Heinrich obviously doesn't know his own strength and has threw the egg on onto the floor.
Too hard.
Too hard.
You see, however much slowing down there is, if you're going really fast, and even if there is safety precautions such as this thick grass, and in a car seatbelts and airbags and crumple zones, if you're going really fast, they're not as effective. So you will still die. That's why you don't speed, children.
Oh.
Eggy bread. Momentum.
As you can see, there's definitely an egg in here, and due to I'm going to shut the box. Due to the cushioning cardboard around the egg, you can do this as much as you want and it won't break. Oh,
Obviously.
that doesn't normally happen.
Trust me. I'm a physician. Trust me, that's never happened before. That's obviously a failure of our education.
Yeah. Yeah, says when teachers run. Anyway, that's
Look at that.
that's about it for our physics coursework. But momentum!
Oh yes, sir. Would you mind giving us a nice grade, please? Thank you.